pero sana unahin yung panoorin kami. Pero panoorin nyo yung iba. Dahil maraming magaganda. At pinaghihirapan din ng ibang mga producers, director at artista na magkaroon ng isang magandang festival. Now, are we gonna be the top crosser and all that? Alam mo, hindi namin iniisip yun. Pag nangyari yun, okay, fine. Okay, fine. God is great, di ba? But if not, then maybe God wants somebody else to have that blessing. So, we're here to give people a beautiful, happy Christmas. The honor of being the top grosser is just the icing on the cake. Okay? And we want to, and again, isa. We're not competing with Jadine. Okay, this is not a movie meant to, compete with Vice or any. We're all out to give people a beauty. Ang gulo-gulo na ng Pilipinas, can we have fun this Christmas?
Yes! One last question before we... No, what last two? Sorry, last two. Papa A, I'm Shane.
Wow, Papa A.
Papa A!
Pero si dati pa. Question ko lang, diba sabi mo kanina na parang gusto mo yung mga heavy drama. Parang willing ka ba na parang katulad din yung role nila Tom Rodriguez sa My Husband's Lover?
So parang same-sex genre romantic thing. Well, as of the moment, I will not be accepting any projects like that because, of course, there's still a lot going on with Alda and everything. Pero as an actor kasi, if you're really an actor by heart, you don't choose your roles. You accept the challenge. So I'm not closing my doors with that. Pero as of the moment, I'm not yet.
In relation dun sa gift para kanina, is it something na sinusuot ba?
Basta it's something special.
Okay, one last, guys, one
You're
last.
welcome.
May pumasok sa isip ko yan.
Hi po, ulit.
Yes, sure.
I'm pretty sure your mom is very proud of you now. If given a chance, what will you say to her?
Uy, walang iyakan to Well, since before, my mom has been the one pushing me to do show business and whatever I'm having now, it's still for the honor of her. I've been doing this for the longest time, for the past 5 years, to live out her legacy in us. Kasi she was the one who wanted showbiz for me, and parang I've been getting a lot of blessings out of this thing. So whatever I have now, of course, I say that my mom is truly my inspiration in everything. And wherever she is now, I'm sure she's having a good time watching over us. Parang seeing me fulfilling my dreams. So, yun.
Yan, thank you so much. #hugot. Lalo kaming na-in-love sa'yo.
Oh, yes.
Grabe. Anyways, I know all of you are so excited to see the movie, so let's watch the trailer.